This is a national emergency message issued at the request of the United States government. A global emergency is in progress. Astronomers and astrophysicists have discovered that the universe is rapidly shrinking. As a result, the Earth's orbit has been destabilized. Within the next several days, astronomers expect that the Earth will plummet into the Sun, this causing absolute destruction. There will be no survivors. Asteroid impacts are taking place across the planet. Impacts have destroyed much of Europe, eastern United States, South America, and Australia. Most world governments have collapsed. Temperatures of 215 to 269 degrees have been recorded worldwide. Most military and emergency services have deserted their posts to be with their families. You are advised to go home and spend your last days with the people you love. Do whatever that makes you happy so long as it is honorable. If you practice a specific religion, pray to your deity. The entire universe will collapse in on itself by next week. Make what little time you have left mean something. Suicide instructions will be aired shortly, as death from this event will certainly be very painful. If you choose to tell young children about this event, do so in a calm manner. May you find peace on the other side. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. God bless you all and the United States of America.